Big up Crosses TV.
I be a crosses you have over your master.
Because IG, everybody IG page is where they express themselves. And you over talk them. That's how you try to make people believe you. You try to over talk them, then you call for your little minions them or whatever. But guess what? I'm stronger than a bull. You remember when you tell me when the next visit to RT boss, you're gonna try and make me come so I can go get a wash off? I decline your offer, love. I decline your offer. I decline. Yes, I do walk around and sell fuck. I do walk around and sell fuck. I do dance in a club. Yes, I do. Well, if that's the ammunition you have over me, I would do anything to provide for my kids. Anything. 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 So any sorry story you're going to come and tell the public, me did a lot for you, you don't know me in real life. You never pay none of my bills out of 2100. The only thing I asked you yesterday when you come for me, I said, Momo, you sound bitter like a me give your mother HIV. That's what I said. You said, my mother top boss. My mother top boss, I be a coke she used to sell. And I say, yes. I mean, a low class girl that will suck and fuck for anything for my kids because of me bring them come here. So I say, Momo, oh, me not have AIDS. I hear mother end up with it. Talk to people. Tell people the truth. You want to come tell them a sad story? Tell them how the young lady catch it. Come and style your mom.
Team blood clot gifted.
Me
Right, Mr.
not
Busket.
style your mom. Me
Destiny,
not call
don't
her
make
no
him
bitch.
pause.
Me not call
Leave
her
me
no
alone.
dog. Me not for shout. Me not for out talk nobody. Me not for add on no truth. I don't know nothing about you. I talk what you come and tell the public. You say me a sell fuck for $20. Yes. Yes, I do. Anything for make life goes better. America not somewhere you come be homeless. Especially when you have two kids and have a baby father. All if me have to lick up batty hole to give them the best of life, I will. I will. So go with your ammunition, girl. Go shoot me with the one bullet you have and go with God.
Okay. What went wrong with you and Mello?
Listen, may I learn something on this IG. On the don't confining people. Keep on a business on yourself.
What
If
did
you
I
no,
tell you?
if you no want ball, clutch on the Bible and ball in a secret. Don't me and Mela not have nothing. She write in a comment everywhere she go. Say Team Momo, Team Momo, Team Momo. Okay, girl, I met you on the IG with your friend. I don't want to separate you with your friend and go with God. Me not have time for all of this. Me go through real issue. Me go through real mental problem.
Mm.
Me I try to figure out how to survive in a blood clot America as a single mom. Me have to fuck and suck my rent at 2100. Me have to do all I can to make sure me not lose my kids them. Me not have no time for the fakeness and the entertaining of IG. You see me I say? So when them a come and them a, oh we come up, she got tell me about me I came up with Mellow. Go find somebody come up with me could rub you out. I say listen, on a go with God. Go with God counting on nothing better for do. Go on with God. So Momo, go and go jump from page to page and tell them what I am going through. That is going to make your mom, bring back your mom, put you in a better situation. That is going to make you feel better about yourself. By destroying me, I will take the destroy. I will take it. I will take it. If it's gonna make you feel better, I will take it. If it is going to make your life better, Momo, I will take it. You don't know real people. You don't. Me are the type of girl where when you're in need and call me and say gifted XYZ, me go they go sell my pussy and send it come give you cash up it come give you. Without even have to meet in a real life. You don't know real people. You don't know real people. And I felt bad for you. I felt bad. Cause you can't tell real people from fake people. Me a donate to people, me a go up on road, 4 o'clock in the night, go sell fuck and get up in the morning, go Western Union, go send, go give people, forget 100 chicken for put in a cube. Momo, go with God. Go call your minion them and rough around. Me come pa IG, come see how the people them as me say, me decline your friendship. Pa IG in a real life. Because you're like a dark energy where you carry. Me no need it wrong. Me already fucked up in the head. Me already fucked up. You have a dark spirit and a dark soul. And me no know what you do or your family do in this lifetime. It gotta be to know so because you say you had cancer and your mother had AIDS. And I pray that they cut the curse right there and don't give your children nothing. But I think you need to give IG a break. Stop trying to stay relevant and focus on your 5 kids and leave me and my 2 alone, please. But knowing you're not going to do that because you have to stay relevant. So I wish you all the best. Take the 1 bullet where you have in the gun and go call everybody who you know. Go call you see a 10 year now, you're on IG. And I ask you, I say, oh, come here and have a blue tick to your name. I not have to argue with you no more for you show who you are, you know. I not have to argue with you. Go and go make up and put on the truth, make the people them hate me. At the end of the day, when I not pray, keep me now on the prayer. That's it. Right, that's so. What kind of blood clot girl would have sent drug man, my address, me leave your sock with my 2 picnic them and a skin out your teeth? First of all, you don't know seriousness. You don't know seriousness from joke. You're too old for this shit, girl. You're too old for this shit. Get a hold of yourself. I think IG gone to your brain. You gonna say, oh, me and Bonnie, them a argue. Make we argue. We a newcomer upon IG. You've been here 10 years. It no matter what, you should have never been in it. Me no follow you up, people. When she go live, go in the comment section and look if you see gifted. People, when she go live, anytime of day, go in the comment and look if you not see gifted hands. You will never see me because her energy is something you do not want through the phone in a real life. Everybody in our circles, everybody who should run up here and make friends, them life start go to shit. Everybody who should try to run up in the people that were prayer morning time, I got through difficulty and can't move from stage 1. She meet a young lady who work in a kitchen. No, the lady not stop working in her ass kitchen, no promotion, nothing. Your spirit no rub off on people, girl. Make people elevate. You not have elevation spirit. You don't. You don't. I'm not gonna style you as a bitch, dog, or me not beg nobody to agree with me. May I tell you what it is? Your spirit is not right, Momo. Your spirit is an old young spirit. When people befriend you on IG, some fuckery things start happening in them life.